We're up to lesson 4 of week 2 in our maths work, and we've been doing some addition all week. We're going to start with a little bit of practice with our number pairs to 10. Now this is the kind of maths that we need to get stuck into our brains, and we need to make this sticky in our brains. Okay, so we're going to have a quick recap. I'm going to say the first number and I want you to shout back the number that goes with it to make 10, okay? So I'm going to start off 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, okay, and then starting from the top, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Fantastic, well done. Okay, quick game of true or false with number pairs. I'm going to show you some calculations, some number pairs that are either do make 10 or they don't make 10. So you need to decide whether my calculation and my answer is true or false. So first one up, here we go. 6 add 4 equals 10. Is that true or is that false? Well done if you said true, of course. 6 and 4 makes 10. Next one. 7 add 5. Does that make 10? True or false? No, of course that was false. 7 add 5 does not make 10. What goes with 7 to make 10? 3, well done. Okay, next one. 0 add 10. True or false? True, well done. Okay, next one. 2 add 8 equals 10. True or false? True, well done. Next one. 6 add 6. Ooh, 6 add 6, does that make 10? No, of course it doesn't. That one is false. 6 add 6 makes 12. Well done. Next one. 1 add 9 equals 10. True or false? True, well done. There's one. 3 add 8. 3 add 8, true or false? False. No, 3 add 8 doesn't make 10. We already know, don't we? 2 add 8 makes 10. 3 add 8 makes 11. Well done. 7 add 3 equals 10. True or false? True or false? True. Of course, that one's true. Well done. 5 add 5. True or false? True. Well done. Super job. So the focus of today's session is going to be adding 3 one-digit numbers. Okay, so we're going to look at some of the methods that we might use to do that. Now for this you might want some practical equipment. I've got some cubes for my practical equipment, but you could use anything at all that you like. If you've got some Lego at home, or if you've got any other little objects, figures, toys, whatever you want to use is fine. Okay, but I'm going to use the cubes. So let's have a little look at the first calculation. This one says 5 add 4 add 9. Okay, now already some of you might be thinking in your head of a way that you could do that. You might be able to see that already. But actually, that's a bit trickier than just adding 2 numbers together. So we're going to start by looking at what equipment we could use. So to do that with the cubes, what I've done is I have made each of those numbers from the cubes. So I have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cubes. I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes, and I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 cubes. Okay, so I've built those to begin with. Now, when you look at a calculation like this, the easiest thing to do is to look for the 2 smallest numbers first. So which are the 2 smallest numbers? 5 and 4. Brilliant, well done. Okay, so now I'm going to add 5 and 4 together. Okay, so we could do that in our heads. We could try and count on, or we could use our equipment. So using our cubes, we're going to get 5, and I'm going to put 4 onto it, so that I have now done 5, add 4, and then I'm going to count them all up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so now I know that 5 add 4 equals 9. Perfect. Now, I haven't finished yet because I've got to add on my next number. So I'm now left with 9 add the other 9. Now, how could I do that? 9 add 9. double 9. If you know your doubles and you're really confident with your doubles, you might know the answer already, okay? If you're not sure, we're going to check using our cubes. Now, I could put them together to make one big tower and then count them all up one by one. That would be fine. I think we could do this a little bit quicker. Okay, so I know that in one of those towers, I've already got 9. So I'm going to start my counting from 9. So I'm going to put 9 into my head and then I'm going to count on my other tower. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so my answer is 18, which means my 5 add 4 add 9 also equals 18. Good stuff. Okay, you got that? Let's have a little look at another example. The next example says 7 add 6 add 3. Okay, now we've got our practical equipment, so we could do the same again. Another strategy that we could do when we're adding 3 one-digit numbers is to look to see if there are any numbers that make 10. Can you spot any number pairs to 10 in those 3 numbers? Let's have a little look. Can you see it? Well done, that's right. 7 add 3 equals 10. Okay, so we know that. I could use my cubes and I could check that if I needed to. But if we're confident we know that 7 add 3 equals 10, we've now got a little bit of an easier calculation to do. So now we've got 10, we can add on, what's the other number we need to add? 6. Now we need to do 10 add 6. Well, adding numbers to 10 is really quite easy, isn't it? Because if we've got 10 and we want to add on 6 more, we're just adding 6 ones to the ones column. Okay, and that's nice and easy, isn't it? 6 ones, and we've still got our 110 makes 16. Excellent, so that can be done really, really quickly. So we know 7 add 6 add 3 equals 16. Perfect. Okay, here is a little example for you to have a go at. So have a go at this one, pause the video, and then come back to me when you're done. Okay, so how did you get on with that one? Have a little look. Did you spot that there were 2 numbers that could make 10? Was there a number pair to 10? Brilliant. 8 and 2, or 2 and 8, make 10. Excellent. Then we had 10, and what's the last number we need to add? 5. Well done. Well, 10 add 5, so 10 add 5 ones. Really quickly we can do that, and we get 15. So our answer was 15. Okay, did you do all right with that? Brilliant job. Let's have a look then at your home challenge. So your challenge at home today is to have a go at these calculations and check your answers with a grown-up. So you've got 3 quick calculations to do there. Don't forget you can use your practical equipment, a bit like my cubes here. Okay, you could use your number pairs to 10, okay, using your mental math skills, and you can write it down and record as well. So if you need a bit of an extra challenge, perhaps your grown-up could write you out some more calculations for you to have a go at. See how you get on with those. Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye!